What do you want to do today?
Switzerland?
Yeah, sounds good. All right, we made our way to Zurich, Switzerland, and we are at the train station at the Zurich airport, about to catch the train to Interlaken, which is, we're taking the scenic route, which goes through, what is it called?
Lucerne.
Lucerne. So we'll go through Lucerne, then Interlaken on our way up to Wengen, or Wengen if you're from Texas. All right, we made it to Wengen. 4 trains, 4 different trains. Lots of walking here in Wengen. Get your exercise. Nice lobby for your keys. Wet bar, honor system. And then this is where we have complimentary breakfast each day. Hello. Okay, our host said we have the biggest and nicest room, so let's check it out. And here's the bathroom. Wonder where this goes. The view outside is amazing.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
All right, we're walking down to Wengen. Actually, I think we're in Wengen. We're just walking down to the little town area. Get our ski rental, maybe something to eat.
Oh, it is cold.
It's cold. What's Berkshire?
It's mostly.
Hmm?
Mostly. Yeah. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Could do some. Good morning.
Good morning.
Do some skiing. Here we are, top of Europe. You ready for this? I'm not sure Sky's into cliff walking.
I don't know that I'm gonna do this. I need some wine. Where's my wine?
Is that all the people that have fallen off? Okay, it seems I lost Sky back there. She turned around, went back to the sleds. So it's just me.
Nie, po co, no skoro my byliśmy w Polsce. Dobra, no to wiesz, my czekamy, on też idzie, też chce jedna.
All right, so we're taking a little hike. This shows the trail name that we're on, Leaderhorn. So far we haven't really needed snowshoes.
You can see the valley.
You can see the valley. Yeah, a little bit better. Kind of smells like cows up here, mountain cows. Can't really tell in this video probably, but this is not the place to drop your iPhone or anything else for that matter. That's quite a drop.
Makes me a little woozy.
Looks like it goes up a little bit further.
Yeah.
Nice little railing up here. I'm glad the railing's here. All right, it's hard to tell how steep this trail is. You can tell a little bit just from the fence line. But we are well above that earlier trail, and this is where we saw some deer or some sort of critters right up here. We're on a new hiking trail today. This one a little bit further down toward the valley. A little bit easier hike than the one we did the other day. And the views are just as spectacular. We opted to take the trail that goes all the way down to Lauterbrunnen. It is fairly steep, so as long as you have good hiking shoes, it's not too bad. Don't step on these metal rails that you see, little drainage things, because you will slip. But again, the view's spectacular. Takes you through the woods. Probably gonna see some critters and some frozen waterfalls in the wintertime. And here's just one of the views you can get on this trail. Staubach waterfall down there in Lauterbrunnen. And if you stick around for a while, you'll see the cog train going up to Wengen. You get it figured out?
Just gonna watch us on the map. Let's see.
Check out our room here in Zurich. Pretty small, but pretty nice. Hi. Guess we close the shades whenever we take a shower. There's some sort of translation issue going on here, I'm sure, right?